Hello everyone, I am Ayushi Patkar from Kasganj. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. Kasganj is famous for its sweets like Malpuri and Kheva, and it's also famous for iron. It is a 71 district in the Indian state of UP. The district was created on 17th April 2008 by dividing Etah district and is renamed as Kashiram Nagar, situated on the banks of river Kali. The town is in proximity of the Himalayan foothills. I did my schooling from Jig Public Academy, Kasganj, and graduation from MCP Rolkhand University, Bareilly. Bareilly is a city in the Indian state of UP. It is popularly known for Bareilly ka Jhumka, Bareilly ka Surma, Ala Hazrat Masjid, and it is referred to as the Nath Nagari. And you all know I am from UP, so here I am telling you some most famous cities which is famous for something. This one is the Kashi Vishwanath Temple. It's a famous Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva located in Varanasi. And this one is the most famous Prem Mandir in Vrindavan. It is dedicated to Radha Krishna and Sitaram. The temple was established by the fifth original Jagatguru, Sri Kripaluji Maharaj. This is the famous Yamuna river in Mathura. It begins from Yamunotri. The best view is from the boats that are parked in the river. This one Gomti river, also called Gomti tributary of the Ganga river. It is one of the India's most polluted river passing through Lucknow. This is Mathura. There are some most famous temples like Radha Vallabh Temple, Buddheshwar Mahadev Temple, Dwarkadhish Temple, Shri Rangnath Temple, and Baki Bihari Temple at Extra. Baki Bihari Temple is dedicated to Baki Bihari, who is believed to be the combined form of Radha Krishna. This is Lucknow, the capital and the largest city of Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It is the 11th most populous city and the 12th most populous urban agglomeration of India. Ayodhya is a city situated on the banks of Holi River, Saryu, in the Indian state of UP. It shares a municipal corporation with its neighboring twin city of Faizabad. This is Red Fort. It is a historic fort in Old Delhi, and now I am also in Delhi for pursuing PGDM in NDIIT. That's all. So thank you for watching.